Ishan sort. The function would work and contain a loop and an appendix, and then I would use the built-in function to sort my list. Finally, I use the print statement to
Question. You look at us, not me.
and the limitation is you can only do what you can only use letters once and you can only use numbers once.
Good.
So like you can't use numbers and letters at the same time.
Good. Excellent.
This is how my program works. You have to write Ishan sort and then you have to put quotation marks and you can put any letter and then it will put it in order.
Very good.
So if you type in letters and numbers, will it separate out?
No.
No. What does it say if you type letters and numbers?
It would make an error.
Okay, that's good.
So how do you resolve that error? Let's say if you want both to work together. Any idea? What do you do?
I don't really know.
Yeah. Okay. So that's your next assignment. Yeah. You need to try in the summer vacation.
How does Python know whether it's a letter or a number?
I think there's a sorted function if you want to use
I
letters and numbers at the same time.
Uh-huh.
I'm not exactly sure, but something
I'll
like
write
that.
any
You do like
random
1,
number.
comma D,
If I want to put letters, I'll write any random letters.
and then I think that's how it works.
Okay.
Because you're giving like, I think it's because like you're giving 1 as the D, so D is 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Something like that.
So our Google Classroom, right, for Python,
Let's still put it in
Listen.
order.
our Google Classroom gonna stay there for some time, right? And all of you are there. So if anybody finds the answer for that and anybody cracks that, can you guys post it?
Okay.
Okay?
We will try.
So then everybody else will also know how to work. Very good. Purva, you wanna continue? You had a question?
Good job, Ishan.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.